Hello, sir. I'm also very much listed police. We give the stop, sir, as a registered owner of this vehicle probably has a warrant. You bought this from anyone recently? You have a driver's license on you then? Are you from Arizona at all? No, never ever? You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? No weapons or anything on you right now? Alright, if you can't find it, can you just step out for me and we're gonna walk back to my unit, alright? Can't find it, just walk back to your unit. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. I didn't pull on a gun on me, I need assistant police. He's taking off right now.
We have sharp fires,
He's going up a high winds road up to a property. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I will shoot you! He's shooting back, he's shooting back. Shots fired, he's shooting. Put your hands up!
So, Motor 9, were you directed that last shooting I said?
He's down on the ground, possibly hit.
10-4 direct male down, possibly hit.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
Firearm is possibly in his left hand.
Copy.